Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to show you how to make easy cottage pie baked potatoes using the air fryer. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all, we're going to take 2 large baking potatoes. You can use Rooster or you can use Morris paper, just whatever you have. We're going to prick them all over with a fork. This will help to release the steam when they're cooking. Now to crispen the skin up, we're just going to cover them with a little bit of olive oil and rub it in around them. Now we take these over to the air fryer. We pop them in for 45 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade and we just let them cook until they're soft in the middle. Now while our potatoes are cooking, we're going to take a medium-sized frying pan, put onto a medium heat, spray with some olive oil, and then we're going to add 1 diced onion. Just let that cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the onion's soft. Now to the onions I'm going to add 1 diced carrot and 225 grams of sliced mushrooms. We'll cook these for 2 to 3 minutes again, just until the mushrooms start to soften. Now once our mushrooms are soft, we're going to add 1 clove of crushed garlic and 225 grams of beef mince. Give those a stir around and just let that cook until the mince starts to brown. Now once our mince is browned, we're going to have half a teaspoon of English mustard powder, or you can just use English mustard if you have it, and 150 milliliters of good quality beef stock. We'll give that a stir around, we'll bring it to the boil and we'll let that cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notifications. It does help that I can make further videos for you. Now finally we're going to add 1 tablespoonful of Worcestershire sauce. We'll pop the lid on and we'll let that simmer for about 20 minutes. Now once it's cooked and the carrots are soft, we're going to season liberally with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Now that our potatoes are cooked, we've removed them from the oven. We'll just set them onto a chopping board. We'll take a sharp knife and we'll just cut them down the middle. Now we bring in a bowl. Now just be careful because your baked potatoes are hot, and we're going to take them up and we're going to scoop out the flesh just into the bowl. Now we'll set our potato skins to the side while we make our mashed potato. Now to the bowl of cooked potatoes, we're going to add 25 grams of Kerrygold butter and 1 tablespoonful of milk. Now we'll season that liberally with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Just take our potato mixture now and we're just going to mash it until there's no lumps left. Now we're going to bring back in our potato skins. And we're just going to fill these with the mince mixture. Now we'll just top these here with the mashed potatoes from earlier, making sure that it's smooth on top. Now we're going to take our baked potatoes and we're just going to top them with some grated cheddar cheese. So we'll take these over to a preheated grill, just pop them under and let them cook for 4 to 5 minutes, just until the cheese melts and goes brown. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video for cottage pie baked potatoes, please don't forget to hit the like button. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.